What are you doing? What are you doing with little lamb? Is that little lamb? Spunky Bunky, did you put little lamb on that step? Get your little, get your little lamb. You can do it. You got it down there. Where you want to get it up? So close. Do you want me to help you? Bless you. Bless the boy. Oh. You gonna figure that one out? If I get closer to it, what are you gonna do? What's that? Is that your little lamb? I touch it. Oh, he grabbed it. He grabbed it with his mouth. Good for you. He said, I just needed a little help. Good for you. Got your little lamb.